A very pleasant morning to one and all. Hello, student. Welcome to the digital education system of Sri Academy. This is the lecture for class 8th. And as you know, before someday, I have already finished your chapter 9 linear equation. So today I want to teach you chapter 10. Chapter name is profit and loss. Okay. So without taking too much time, I want to start our new exercise 10A. Question number 1 is that find the gain or loss percent when CP is equal to 620 and SP is equal to 713. CP stand for cost price and SP stand for selling price. Solution. At first you see student कि SP is greater than CP means selling price is greater than cost price. Okay, so it is already seen कि it here we have gain. The formula of gain is equal to SP minus CP means 713 minus 620 means gain is rupees 93. So formula of gain percent is equal to gain by CP multiple 100. Okay, gain is 93 and CP 620 multiple 100. When you will class it, so your answer will 15% means 15%. Profit percent is equal to 15%. Now next question is that CP is equal to 675 and selling price is equal to 630. Here you see is cost price is greater than selling price, so loss. Okay, so loss is equal to CP minus SP means loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. 675 minus 630, 45 rupees loss. Okay, loss percent is equal to loss by CP multiple 100, loss 45, CP 675 multiple 100. When you will class it, so your answer will 6 whole 2 by 3%. Okay, next is that ki CP cost price is equal to 345 rupees and selling price is equal to 372.60 rupees. Okay, 60 paise, 372 rupees 60 paise. Here you see कि selling price is greater than cost price, so gain is equal to selling price minus cost price means 372 rupees 60 paise minus 345 is equal to 27 rupees 60 paise. After that you find gain percent, so gain percent is equal to gain by CP multiple 100, 27.6 multiple 345, 27.6 by 345 multiple 100. When you will class it, to your answer will 8%. Okay student. Now next question is that question number 2 कि find the selling price when cost price is equal to 1650 rupees and gain equal to 4%. So formula of SP is equal to 100 plus gain percent by 100 multiple cost price. Okay, so 100 means 100 plus gain percent 4 by 100 multiple 6, so 1650, 104 to 104 by 100 multiple 1650. After that when will you class it, your answer will 1716 rupees means selling price is equal to 1716 rupees. Okay, now next question is that cost price is equal to 915 and gain is equal to 6 whole 2 by 3%. It is also same कि SP is equal to 100 plus gain percent by 100 multiple CP. So 100 plus gain percent means 6 over 3 is 18 and 220 by 3 by 100 multiple 9 by 15. After that you solve it कि 320 by 3 multiple 100 multiple 950. When you will class it, so your answer will 976 rupees. Okay, student. Next question is that cost price is equal to 875 and loss is equal to 12%. So formula of SP is equal to 100 minus loss percent by 100 multiple at CP. So 100 minus 12 by 100 multiple 875. 100 minus 12, 88 by 100 multiple 875. When you will class it, to your answer will 770 rupees. Okay, all of you understand? If you have any type of problem, then you discuss on my cell phone number or WhatsApp number. Next question is that find the cost price when selling price is equal to 1596 rupees and gain equal to 12%. So cost price formula of cost price is equal to 100 by 100 plus gain percent multiple SP. So 100 by 100 plus gain percent 12%. So 100 by 12 multiple 1596. So 100 by 112 multiple 1596. When you will class it, so your answer will 1425 rupees. Next question is that selling price is equal to 2431 and loss is equal to 6 whole 1 by 2%. So CP of formula of CP is equal to 100 by 100 by 100 minus loss percent by multiple CP SP. So 100 by 200 minus 13 by 2 multiple 2431. When you will class it, so your answer will 2600 rupees. Okay. Now next question is that Manjeet bought an iron safe for rupees 12,160 rupees and paid for rupees 340 for its transportation. Then he sold it for rupees 12,875. Find his gain or loss percent. Okay. At first you mention down कि CP of iron is equal to 12,160 rupees. Overhead 340. Total cost price तो 12,160 plus 340 is equal to 12,500. Now selling price is equal to 12,875. Here you see कि SP is greater than CP, so it is in the favor of gain. Okay, तो gain is equal to 12,875 minus 12,500 is equal to 375 rupees. After that you find the gain percent formula. So gain percent is equal to gain by CP multiple 100. So gain means 375 by CP 12,500 multiple 100. You class it, so your answer will 3%. Okay student. Next question is that Hari bought 20 kg of rice at rupees 36 per kilogram and 25 kilogram of rice at rupees 32 per kilogram. He mixed the two varieties and sold the mixture at rupees 38 per kilogram. Find his gain percent in the whole transaction. Cost of 20 kilogram rice, 36 multiple 20 is equal to 720, and cost of 25 kilogram rice, 32 multiple 25 is equal to 800. CP of rice to 720 and 800 is equal to 1550 rupees, and SP is equal to 20 plus 25 45 kg rice. So 45 multiple 38 is equal to 1710. SP is greater than CP, so gain is equal to 1710 minus 1520 is equal to 190 rupees. Okay, gain percent is equal to 1090 by 1520 multiple 100%. When you will class it, to your answer will 12 whole 1 by 2%. Okay. Next question is that coffee costing rupees 250 per kg was mixed with chicory costing rupees 75 per kilogram in the ratio 5:2 for a certain blend. If the mixture was sold at rupees 230 per kg, to find the gain or loss percent. Let mixture of coffee and chicory be 5 kilogram and 2 kilogram respectively. So cost price of mixture to 250 multiple 5 plus 75 multiple 2 is equal to 1250 1610. Here you see कि SP is greater than CP, so GAN is equal to 1610 minus 1400 is equal to 210. GAN percent is equal to 210 by 1400 multiple 100% is equal to 15%. Okay students, so all of you solve all this question into your fair copy and revise again and again for your upcoming examination. Okay, so thank you and have a very wonderful day. Stay home and stay safe.